Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, if log x squared dx, integrating it from 1 to t is equal to 2, then t equals. So, this is equal to 2 integration from 1 to t log x dx is equal to 2. So, log x dx is equal to 1. Now on integration by parts, we get this to be equal to. Now we can consider another function, say just 1. So this becomes log ex integration dx, that is integration 1 into dx, minus integration of, so d dx log x 1 by x into integration 1 dx dx. So this gives us x log x minus integration 1 by x into x dx. So this is x log x minus x from 1 to t, that is t log t minus t minus log 1 plus 1, or t log t minus t minus 0 plus 1. So t log t minus t plus 1 is equal to 1, since integration of this was 1. So 1 cancels out and we get t log t is equal to t, and log t is equal to 1. Now taking exponentials on both sides, we get e to the power 1 is equal to t. So from here we get t equals e, that is option C. The next question is, let P is equal to Pij be a 50 cross 50 matrix where Pij is equal to minimum Ij, where I, j ranges from 1 to 50. Then rank of P equals, so P is equal to 1 in the first row for all elements. Now in the second row, the first column, that is index for index P12, this would be 1, and for all the other elements indexes it would be 2. Then for the third row it would be 1 2 3 and so on up to 3, and in this way the last would be 1 2 3 up to 50, the last row. Now let us do an operation, that is Ri equals Ri minus R1, where I not equal to 1 and I goes from 2 to 50. Then we get this to be equal to 1 1 1 0 1 1. Then in this way this becomes 1. So this is basically an upper triangular matrix, and so its determinant comes out to be equal to 1. Now since the determinant not equal to 0, The rank of the matrix is 50. We could also have calculated this without calculating the determinant, because there is not a single row which has all the elements to be equal to 0. So the rank needs to be equal to 50, that is option D.